Hey, Adventures with Tea fans, it is time for Gadget Friday again. I'm Marlis from Adventures with Tea, and today we're going to talk about, because it's springtime, we're starting to get towards warmer weather, I think, eventually. But anyway, if you're like us, we like to have citrus water in the summertime where we just have like a pitcher of lemon or lime, or sometimes lemon and lime water in the fridge. Maybe you're one who likes to put some lemon juice in your tea. But anyway, if you've done that before, you like having fresh lemon, lime, orange juice, but you really don't like the whole, squeeze it into your hand and try to strain the seeds through your fingers. I've done that. And then there's the twisty, I think they're called reamers. Anyway, so those are okay, not my favorite tool, but here's what we found several years ago that we absolutely love: the citrus juicer. And you'll notice this one is in a lovely yellow color, so that means it's designed specifically to be the size of lemons. There's also a green one, a smaller green one for limes, and a larger orange one for oranges. Which on our blog at adventureswithtea.com you'll see a link to all of those. But anyway, so here's how it works. If you haven't used one, you cut your lemon in half, you put the half in here, and it looks, because the way it's shaped, it looks like you would put it this way, but you actually turn it over. If you really think about the engineering of it, you turn it over so that the cut side is down, and it goes inside, and then you press this down and you just squeeze it, and it pushes all that juice out. And the seeds, the holes you can kind of see they're fairly large, but typically the seeds do not go through. So anyway, so this one, like I said, this is the medium size, and it works for lemons or limes. But if you want to have specific ones for each fruit, you can do that too. So anyway, here's to happy juicing, and I guess you could say this little tool will make it easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bye. We'll see you on the next Gadget Friday.